What it do, world? It's your boy Andy B. Harley, and we're back with another video finally, man. After this crazy ass COVID-19 stuff that's been going on, man, we haven't really been able to get out, really get any kind of footage. Things have been crazy, man. It's been a real serious time, man. People need to take this stuff serious, man, and really like buckle down and stay home. I'm seeing videos where we got people, outside, going to house parties and stuff like that. Like, come on, man. Like, we trying to prevent the spread of this, and y'all helping it. You know what I'm saying? You going out doing more stuff than you should be doing, and that's totally uncalled for, man. Guys, please, 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 if you follow my page, man, and you know somebody who's out there breaking the pandemic rules and COVID-19 rules that they got set in place, man, with the stay-at-home order, encourage them to stay home, man. It's gonna help all of us, man, to end all of this sooner and help everything, man, get back to normal. And that's what we're really aiming for in this situation. But today, man, it's a special day. Finally, gonna do one of the first of many mods to the Charger. We're waking up the beast. It's about time. It's been too quiet for too long. It comes from the factory, like, stock quiet. And today, I'm just excited, man. I'm really excited that it's finally getting ready to sound like what it's supposed to. And now everything's gonna progressively just, come after that, and then just, sound better going forward. So, man, without further ado, let me get some of this cold start footage of how it sounds right now before anything else happens to it today. Before, I go ahead and wake this animal up. Let me get some cold start footage for you. Don't mind the car, it's a little dirty. Let's get that cold start. It's quiet, man. It's too quiet. Get y'all set up real quick. Man, as y'all can see, that thing is quiet, man. That thing is just too quiet. That's the reason why today's the day. It has to go get woken up today. I'm fine. I can't take it no more. It has to get done. I got a vlog. I got to do something, man. I've been sitting down doing nothing for too long, so today it has to happen. By the way, if you're new to the channel, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button, click that notification bell, turn on all post notifications, and join the Andy B. Harley world, man. Really appreciate the support. The channel is definitely growing. We're on our way, and I'm going to continue to keep bringing you guys content, man. I bought this car for the channel. I'm going to continue to do things for it, and just continue to give you guys something to watch, man. I appreciate you guys, because without you, there's no me. So without further ado, man, let's go head out for the day.
Yeah, how may I serve you?
Alrighty, I'll have 3 breakfast bowl, the meals, I'm guessing.
Of course, chicken or sausage?
We'll do chicken.
Okay, and what can I get for the drink?
We're gonna have 3 lemonades, easy ice, please. Had
So
to get
it's 3
Chick-fil-A.
meals?
Yes, please.
Of course. What else can I get for you?
That'll do it.
Okay, I have. Do you need a drink carrier for the drinks?
Yes, please.
Okay, so I have 3 chicken bowl meals, so $22.25.
Thank you.
My pleasure.
See, man, you take care of me, man. I take care of you. We eating good this morning. We ain't eating McDonald's, we eating Chick-fil-A. You know why we eating Chick-fil-A? Because it's a great day at Chick-fil-A. Hey, man, don't forget, it's my spot, boy. Anybody who know me know how I get down on Chick-fil-A, man. I don't play no games with the Chick-fil-A. Playing all the games on. Oh, damn, wallet. I can't pay for nothing if you ain't have your wallet, right? Put y'all in the cup holder. Y'all even fit the cup holder? Oh, my finger let me. Oh, shit now. Next level. Ooh. Got y'all in the cup holder. I don't know if it's gonna stay though. But yeah, like I said, man, if you right here, if you're new to the video, you're new to the channel, man, make sure you go ahead and click that subscribe button, man. Click that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, turn on all post notifications, and join the Annie B. Harley world. We got lots of coming our way this year, man. We got great content coming. It's gonna really be a good year, man. So I'm advising you guys, stay tuned. I thank you for you guys' support, and like I said, man, without you guys, none of this stuff is possible anyway, man. So I appreciate you guys, man. Like real talk, we're gonna get this Chick-fil-A, man, and we're gonna have a great day. Cause it's always a great day at Chick-fil-A. Next stop, head at the Temples to get this exhaust work done. See my boy Matt. Ooh, he about to wake up the animal. We couldn't wait to do this. He was part of the reason why I bought the car. He was actually a big influence on this. So Matt, when you watch this video, I went and bought this Hemi because you encouraged me. For what it's worth, bro. Alright, man, let me get this food, man. I'm running a little behind, so Matt don't be mad. I'm coming with breakfast. I'm coming with good tidings, okay? I'm like 10 minutes late right now, so I'll be a grand total of 10 minus the 1, carry the 2 plus 3, like a few more. Alright, I'll see y'all in a minute. Ooh, got that Chick-fil-A. You know why we got that Chick-fil-A? Because it's a great day here at Chick-fil-A. No, they didn't pay me for this, but it's always a great day at Chick-fil-A. Hey, man, don't ever get it twisted. Anytime you got Chick-fil-A, it's always a great day. Man, y'all don't know, man, I'm really excited. Got you, had y'all a little too close. Let me zoom that out a little bit. You know, I know y'all like looking at my great face. Let me zoom it out, man. I'm excited, man. I know I keep saying this, but I've had this car since August, and I haven't done nothing to it but fill it up with gas and drive it. Like, finally about to get the wider tires for this car, because like on the forums and stuff like that, everybody says that the wider tires helps with like the traction. The car drives a whole lot better, a lot different with the wider tires, man. So we're gonna go ahead and get the wider tires for it. Probably gonna go with like a 265 40 R20. We're not going back with a Z-rated tire. I was like borderline about to put rims on here, man, but I don't know if I really want to, man, because like I had such a bad experience with the 24s on my Challenger. It beat the car up like real bad, so I don't think I want to do big wheels no more. I'm more so gonna be into like I probably like end up changing like my hood, because I don't like the hood on this, man. Might change the front bumper on it. Like the cosmetic stuff, but like with the wheels, no, I'm probably not gonna do that, because I actually had to redo the entire suspension on the Challenger, and I'm not looking to do that on this car. Even though this car is like under warranty, nah, I'm good. I'm kind of good on that, man. I don't like I'm starting to, I don't know, I like the way it rides without the wheels, and I've gotten so used to not having the wheels on there. I like the ride of the car without the wheels, but I don't know, we'll see, man. We'll see. I could just be talking, man. Sometimes I be talking and it'd be like spur of the moment, then like the next thing you know, boom, it's done. I'm changing it all over with. So then I might be getting some wheels, but I don't know, man. We'll see. I'm trying to see if I can get some footage of how the car sounds without the exhaust done on the car, so you guys can hear how quiet it is. Like, it's quiet as hell. Like, it's super quiet in this car. Like, even at idle, like this car should sound like a V8. My Challenger is a V6, and I know my Challenger's louder than this, because I can hear the Challenger at idle, and it's a V6. And by the way, we're finally gonna get the exhaust correctly fixed on that too, so that's coming up next in another video, like real soon. Man, I gotta get the content, man. Again, if you're new to the channel, you're just tuning in, click that subscribe button, turn on all post notifications, join the Annie B. Harley world. What else is there better to do? You know what I'm saying? I got a lot of good content coming this way for the channel this year, and all the stuff on the way. See this light change, you got like 18 seconds. I hope y'all staying safe from this COVID, man. I can't stress it enough. Stay home. Stay home, stay safe, and we can end this. I'm just hoping this stuff don't come back like the flu. Flu comes back every year. I hope this isn't one of them. All right, we're gonna get some footage of this. We're gonna see what it sounds like. just don't scream aggressive like at all. Like it's too quiet. It's too quiet. Now you guys understand why this car has to go to the exhaust shop. It has to have the work done. It's just too quiet. Even when I put it in sport, it's just too quiet. So changing all that today. Stay tuned, guys. All right, you guys, so we finally made it. We pulled up, made it to the shop, about to get ready to take the charger and then get some work done. If you're in the Belvedere area, you need some work done, make sure you come see my boy Matt over at Temple's 5-Star Muffler. Area code 815-547-6818. Man, not only, let me make this clear, not only does he do, he's like the exhaust guru of all the town. Everybody who's anybody who wants their car to sound like something, they bring their car to come see him. That's number one. Number two, he does everything on all types of cars. He does, I mean, no matter whatever it is you need, full service, full out, from a light bulb down to a new engine and trans to dropping the frame on the car. Whatever you need, he gets it done here. So come to my boy Matt over here at Temple's 5-Star. And again, let me get that number for you guys. Telephone number's gonna be 815-547-6818. So if you're in the Rockford area, Belvedere area, whatever area you're close to, come see my boy Matt. He definitely take care of you, man. He does phenomenal work, and his prices, nobody can touch him around town. So without further ado, let's get this Chick-fil-A up inside of here. Let's get this day rolling. We got breakfast. We got some exhaust we getting done. And like I said, it's a great day at Chick-fil-A. It's a great day at Chick-fil-A. Here with the boss himself. Great day here at Chick-fil-A. Always busy. Man, about the time to finally go ahead and wake the car up. I've had this car since August, and actually, he was part of the reasons why I was getting ready to buy it, because I was teeter-tottering back and forth 50-50. He was like, do it. Sent him a picture a couple days ago, like, look what I bought. So if you guys want to know the reason how the Charger actually came to be, we're gonna blame that guy back there sitting back there with the pencil behind the computer. We're gonna blame Matt. So Matt's gonna get 50-50 credit on this. I got some drinks for us. Got some lemonade. They didn't have a full drink carrier, so let me make sure I get that. Oh man, look at that. Great day. How they give me 2 straws? One of the straws I don't even got nothing in there. Chick-fil-A is not a great day. There is no straw in there, Chick-fil-A. How did you guys do that? You guys gave me paper. There's paper in there. There's no straw. You guys gave me 2 straws and paper. Chick-fil-A, it was a good day. It was a good day until I realized you only gave me 2 straws. It was a great day at Chick-fil-A, Matt, until I realized they gave me 2 straws and a piece of paper for my 3rd drink. What the? They bent it? Oh, it's bent. Oh, it's just bent. Now it's gonna have a little air hole in it. Let's get the other drink. Man, I hope you guys are excited, because I'm excited. It's a great day. It's a great day to be alive. The car's getting woken up. The exhaust is getting done. Like, I'm super stoked. I'm super excited. And I can't wait. And for those of you who don't know, Matt is a very close friend of mine. He's more like a brother. You know, he really is. We're really close. We always have been. I was a big part of his wedding on his very special day. I love his kids. His kids love me. Love his wife. His wife is great. Courtney is amazing. And oh man, my new baby nephew Ollie, man, he is just he's a beautiful little guy, man. I can't wait for all the stuff to be over. I can't wait to go to the park and play with him, and all the great fun Uncle Kel things we got in store, man. It's coming his way. But without further ado, we're about to get down on this Chick-fil-A. I'm not gonna let you guys watch me while we go ahead and stuff our faces. So I'm gonna go ahead and eat this Chick-fil-A. Me, Matt, and Cody about to get down. And I'm gonna get the video back rolling once we get the car rolling, all right? All right, while they got the charger in there, getting it all set up on the lift, let me show you guys a couple of the cars they got up here. Like, this is 300. This 300 is pretty dope. They're doing a completely full restoration on this 300, man. I mean, it just don't get no more classy than this. I gotta love this 300. It's super dope. But looking at this, man, it's kind of nostalgic because it shows you like kind of where the cars are today, like where they came from, like the big sizes and everything, and why like the Mopar world is so big. But this 300 is pretty dope. But you guys gotta check out this Cadillac that he got. Now I ain't familiar 100% on the years. I'll ask him about it. But this Cadillac, golly, man, I mean, it's in really good shape. When you talk about long, I mean long, and this hood, man, is solid. I mean, this is, you hear that? That ain't plastic. That ain't no aluminum. That's metal. That's steel. This thing weighs like 5,000 pounds, I think he told me. Like, this is pretty dope. This thing is really dope. I like this Cadillac. He just got it. El Dorado. It's kind of cool when you cut the lights on, like these little Cadillac emblems, they light up. And then these cool ass James Bond windows. These windows actually retract into the car like that way. So that's pretty dope, man. Took kids for a Sunday ride yesterday. Like, I like that. That's dope. Got this money up here. It's an older money car. I had one similar to that, but this one here, it's got a 3900 V6. That's what they put usually in the cop cars, which is where I've never seen them with the 3900. But a little bit more ago, I had a 3800 series too in mine. But yeah, this 300 is nice, man. I like they're doing a complete restoration. Might have to come up here and get some more footage of it. They're redoing everything for this car. The new floors in it. Coming pretty soon. Whole new floor. They're cutting all of it out, welded the new end. It's gonna be pretty dope.
Let's do the brakes because I know that won't take that long. And the alternator.
Yeah, it's dope. But hey, you guys, if you're new to the channel, you just tuned in on this video, make sure you click the subscribe button, click the post notification bell, turn on all post notifications, and join the Andy B. Harley world. We got a lot of stuff coming your way, man, and just stay tuned. Let's see what he's doing right here, man, with the car. Man, I can't wait to fire this thing up. It's gonna sound definitely like a new car. You guys stay tuned. Yeah, right there. That's where it's going. Cody, you playing Pandora?
What's up?
You playing Pandora?
No, that's serious. We're fancy and we got that satellite radio.
Right fucking there is what I'm saying.
Yeah.
Teacher and the sensei. That clean work. Want your car to sound amazing? Come to Temple's 5-Star in Belvedere. Let's see my boy Matt. He'll definitely get you right. Y'all didn't get that number in the beginning. That's 815-547-6818. Temple's 5-Star in Belvedere. I'll put the information down in the description below. You guys got the address and the phone number. We'll definitely take care of you. Best prices in town, best work in town. I guarantee you guys will not be upset. 100%. El teléfono. Almost there. We're about to see what this thing sounds like. I'm excited. Whew. It's about to sound like a real V8.
Let's start up.
First start. Seeing what it sounds like. Ooh, I'm excited. Alright, I'm happy. You hear that? That's what it's supposed to sound like. That's what the fuck it's supposed to sound like. Not the fucking soccer mom mobile. You want your car to sound right? Go see my boy fucking Matt. You see this shit? Woo-hoo, man. Damn. Damn, that shit sounds good. Sounds angry now. Oh man. Alright guys, hold on 1 second. Be right back. Stay right there. Y'all gotta excuse the car, it's getting washed. I'm gonna take it and get it clean today. Shit! Damn, Matt. Hey, Matt did this fucking thing. Damn. Ooh. Fuck. Needless to say, I'm a happy customer. So if you want to put that same smile on your face like I got right now, come on over to Temple's 5-Star Muffler in Belvedere and check out my boy Matt. They got amazing service over here, but they also do amazing work. And you hear that right there. That's my personal vehicle. Matt takes care of all of my, every car I've had since I've been out here for the past 7-8 years, he's touched it. So you want your car done right, from a fucking light bulb down to a new motor or a new transmission, come see Matt. He take care of you over in Belvedere. He does everything, more than just mufflers. Man, but you guys, I'm super fucking happy, super fucking stoked. The car sounds amazing. Like, God, I couldn't ask for anything else, man. And again, for all you guys just now tuning in, if you're new to the channel, make sure you click that subscribe button. Click that post notification bell, turn on all post notifications, and join the Andy B. Harley world. So with that being said, it's your boy Andy B. Harley checking out with another video, and until next time, you guys stay smooth. Ah!